Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about event to Flutter. To all video we speak about Hive and we create services Hive and connect our project. We can, for example, create task and create description. Okay. And we used set state. Now we delete set state and now we used event. Let's start with connect package event to pubspec YAML and then we remove set state, remove get all tasks, then we open Hive service and write. We use static variable final, then write event and write event, import package event, then we add our methods. For example, add task, write event dot broadcast, then maybe we can open example to documentation. We use broadcast and then we add two method part and finish method this delete task. Save. Then we open home screen and add two method build. Write Hive service dot event dot subscribe value set state save, and now we test. For example, create new task, go to maybe store and shop, then write description shop, save, and we get information how work event. We can add breakpoint and then listen process work event. For example, we delete this task and then we get a situation about we use event, then we use method subscribe, and can we add task and part task and delete task. We used event broadcast, then work method subscribe, and then we get all task update information, and now we look update list task, and we remove task, and we get update information. If we update or add and delete task. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.